right, are you looking for a Range Rover Sport, then this right here is probably the best value one we've had for a very, very long time. With 17,000 miles on, this is a D300 SE in Fuji White with some really unique and key features. Full black styling package, sliding roof. It's a great looking vehicle, 22-inch SV bespoke wheels, steps. Now, these cars drive superbly well. They're a 300 horsepower, 3-litre diesel. For me, they've got fuel efficiency. They've certainly got exterior style. And this one, under 70 grand, will buy you this car on a 23 plate with Land Rover warranty until 2026. They offer you so much. The steps are a big feature for me, but this car has got sliding roof. You get adaptive cruise, heated wheel, heated front seats, heated rear seats, air suspension. So much. Look at the cockpit in these, are really, really modern. And then this one looks great as well, doesn't it? If you pan back out, black roof, so it's sort of got that two-tone exterior, so black bottom section, black roof, and the white midsection. Then the wheels, important, these are SV bespoke wheels in 22-inch. They are a bi-colour wheel, so they're a satin and polished black wheel. But the styling doesn't finish there, because around the rear end you've got the black boot finisher with the Range Rover badging in black and the black bottom section to the car. And we've got other features, so many features. We've got assisted tailgate, we have air suspension, we have foldable seats, electric here, big boot space. This is a fantastic car for the money, it really, really is. It's going to sell straight away. I mean, I love a white car. Not everyone does, but I think the white stands out really, really nicely. You've got reclining rear seats, which are electric, Meridian sound, heated rear seats, as well as front seats. So much specification. You've got keyless entry with a little button here, blind spot assist to go with the adaptive cruise control. Fantastic value. So, if you want to buy this car, it's live on our website now. My number's on the screen. My name's Richard. You can WhatsApp me or call me any time of the day on my mobile number. Please do that. And then I already stepped into this car, but the steps do make a difference. So if you watch, I'll jump in with the step, and it gives you unrivaled driving position. The Sport still feels very sporty, hence the name. But then we've got heated wheel, we've got adaptive cruise, we've got lane assist, we've got full digital cockpit, we've got wireless smartphone integration, we've got wireless smartphone charging underneath the 11.4-inch touchscreen, we've got 360 camera, we've got 3D camera, just so many incredible features. Heated front seats, digital climate control, heated front and rear screens, the piano black centre. What a car this is. The sliding roof is a big feature on these cars. And by the way, if you're looking at these, not all of them come with that. So, I mean, I love a sliding roof, use it in the winter and the summer. Great car on the website now at a fantastic value. Thanks for watching.